this crumb bun, something different. It is with the bread dough that I have done. So, how does it look? It's beautiful. Come, we will all get together and try it out how this crumb bun is done. When I talk about the bread dough, all of you know how to make this bread dough. Actually, I have done several times the bread dough, fish bun, and so many other way of doing the bun I have done. But I will give a quick message here how I have made it. Half a teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon warm water, slightly warm water, mix it, cover and keep it. 250 grams of flour I have taken, mix with that yeast mixture which you allow it to ferment at least for about 10 minutes. Mix it with a little butter, that's about a tablespoon of butter, and milk, a little milk. Don't put water. You can use water or you can use milk. Milk is tastier. Mix it nicely, cover and keep it. Milk I put, cover and keep it. Once you cover and keep, it will get fermented. Once it gets fermented, what are we going to do? Knead it again and mix it. I have done that part of it. Now I'm going to do the crumb bun, I said. The crumb bun to make only, I'm going to show you the other part of it like. So for that, I need about 100 grams of sugar. We can take 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter. All that I have put it, a little salt, cinnamon powder, a teaspoon. Make it like a crumb. Mix it till it becomes like crumb. Cinnamon powder only I used. I didn't use vanilla essence or any other essence. Nicely it has come out. It has come like crumbs. Can you see? Don't want that to get mixed well and no water, nothing. Only the mixture. The crumb, I have made it. Flour, sugar, butter. Just mix it nicely and keep it. Now the bread dough is there. Now I will take the bread dough, knead it nicely. Knead the bread dough nicely. So I will make a smaller quantity for you just to show you how this was done. Flour. Roll it. This crumb, which I have put cinnamon powder into it, nice and tasty flavor, cover. Roll it again. Other way. Again roll it. I have to roll it 3 times. This is the 3rd time I am rolling. It's like crumbs are there. Roll it again. Now we will roll it. Something different to the normal preparation. What did I put now? Flour, sugar, butter. Instead of that, if you like, you can have a savory filling. You can have a vegetable filling or you can have a fish or a meat filling. You can make it and use that also. It will be nice. Now 3 times I have rolled it. Baking tray, nicely butter it and keep it ready. I have cut it into square pieces. Like a bundle. Butter the tray and you put the bundle in. take the egg yolk, a bit of milk you put into this, and glaze this now. Cashew nuts cut very small, 180 centigrades, and we have to bake for 25 minutes. We'll bake this for 25 minutes and see what and how we are going to serve. This crumb bun is very tasty. You can see how it looks. This is the crumb bun that you can make it. Once you bake and take it, it's nice. All of you can do it and try it out. Make it and see how it comes. Right? This is something different to the normal preparation. Anytime, tea time, you can serve. Or children come from school, they want something different. You can serve them. Okay, try it out and see. Now, next episode, I am coming with another tasty preparation. Till then, keep watching so that I will come out with a delicious preparation. Till then, bye from me now.